Hazy sun and clouds with spotty rain and storms possible on Thursday. Good Wednesday night, East Tennessee. David Aldridge, Captain Accurate here from the Captain Accurate Weather Command Center. Well, you can see from the ultimate Doppler radar, some of us got some rain today. Not a lot of folks, but where it rains, it can pour. We see some red areas around Kingston and Harriman, especially on the west side of Kingston and the east side of Rockwood, and it's kind of dancing in place. In fact, we've even seen some raindrops in Carnes. Problem is, it hasn't been widespread, and it's been essentially trying to move from east to west, but very slowly. A lot of this will fade with the setting sun, which occurs just about 8:45 to 9 o'clock in the evening. So a lot of this rain is beneficial, but we could use some more. By the way, the ultimate Doppler radar presented by Madlock Tire Service and Auto Repair, East Tennessee's #1 tire shop and auto repair since 1953. They have 5 convenient locations to serve you if you need a new set of tires or maybe even an oil change. By the way, our high temperature today hit 85 at McGee-Tyson Airport. I was expecting 83, but given the dry soil and the warming trend that's coming, we're going to continue to outperform, I think, going down right into the weekend. So our normal high 82. I'm expecting another high around 85 tomorrow, but we will see a warming trend certainly as we move into Friday and Saturday. High temperatures today hit 82 in Sevierville, 84 in Maryville, and it was 82 in Kingston, only 78 in Crossville in the heart of Cumberland County, 82 for Middlesboro. You look around the state, they hit 87, Nashville. It was near 90 in Memphis, but they hit 90 officially at Tupelo at 90 degrees today. So there is still some warmth advertising south and west of here. Tracking the clouds, you can see them in and out today. And with the setting sun, the lower sun angle, we lose some of the clouds, at least the resolution from this image, but they're still there. And you can see them hugging along the foothills and Smokies, but don't be surprised if we see this repeat itself tomorrow. So if you liked it today, you'll love it tomorrow. Spotty rain and storms Thursday, 20% chance. Even warmer on Friday, highs around 88, maybe even warmer. And then Saturday, I think it's the hottest day of the year so far. That's my ellipse there, ... So far, because the hottest so far was April the 5th. We hit 89 at McGee-Tyson Airport. Hard to remember. I can't even remember what I had for lunch a week ago Tuesday. Maybe you can't either. But I can tell you it was 89 degrees April 5th. I think we'll surpass that Saturday around 92 degrees. What about the visibility? Tomorrow morning I'm expecting some patches of fog. So where it's been raining today, well, we may see some problems develop, maybe poor visibility around Harriman, Kingston, Rockwood, Loudon, and Clinton. This is how it's projected. Doesn't always line up accordingly, but it gives you some intel as you plan your morning. 8 o'clock in the morning, it's beginning to lift, and I think fog is a distant memory, certainly by 9:30, as we see more hazy sunshine develop. By the way, I'm going to bring you the latest map from the National Hurricane Center at 8 o'clock tonight. They are still maintaining a 20% expectation, 20% chance that the yellow X becomes Arlene. We could get a storm that has a name. Now, the one that was off the coast of the Carolinas and Georgia this weekend probably should have had a name to be consistent, but this is one that could cause some problems if you're going to Destin or Panama City, because it's going to continue to spin up maybe some high surf, maybe some seaweed. Who knows what it's going to stir up? But I can see, as you can too, the circulation center south of Louisiana. Pretty clear there. That's 7:30 Friday morning. Winds are still pretty busy as this continues to meander, and it could move across the peninsula of Florida, but there are some models this evening, that suggest it moves toward Destin. May not get a name, but it'll be a heavy rainmaker all the same. So we encourage you to join us on the premium side, because we talk about what's the next big thing every afternoon between 2 and 3 p.m. with a new post, and you can get some intel planning beyond the 7-day forecast. Go to CaptainAccurate.com for more details on how to sign up for premium. But by the way, the tropical names this year, they are recycled every 6 years. That's just what they do. And sometimes they retire a name if it's caused too much devastation or if too much loss of life has occurred. I'm thinking of like Katrina, for example. They replace it, and this time around it's Katya. But notice it goes boy, girl, or in this case, girl, boy. And if your name is Brett, Cindy, Don, or Emily, you may become the talk of a water cooler conversation this summer as the name storms get checked off the list. Storm Prediction Center, we're looking at some yellow areas in Texas for scattered severe storms tomorrow. That's Lubbock. That would be isolated in green for Amarillo and Abilene. Maybe some thunderstorms here. I think they would be welcomed. Many gardens and lawns would love to have some rain. Severe risk for Friday continues in West Texas around, say, Lubbock, Midland, and St. Angelo. But here, I don't think we're going to get any thunderstorms, despite the fact my friends at the Storm Prediction Center think we do. I think it will be out of here because I think the storm spinning in the Gulf is going to take all the oxygen out of the room. So I don't think we're going to have much moisture to talk about on Friday, nor do I think we'll have it on Saturday. But that's just me. I just tell you what I see. By the way, Futurecast takes it, any rain that's out there tonight disappears by 11, if not sooner. Tomorrow morning starts dry. By 12:15 or so, it starts to show up a little bit in some areas, but again, it's pretty slim. Then we head into 11 o'clock Thursday, not much to see. 7 a.m. Friday, not much to see, but this puts some of the green, especially between Raleigh, Charlotte, and Atlanta, and I think that's where it will probably live. It'll stay down there. And there may be a few showers that form south of Nashville, but I don't think it's in our viewing area on Friday, nor do I expect it on Saturday, despite the fact that it kind of kick-starts a few green dots here by 2 o'clock Saturday. I think it's going to be dry. So here's your valley planner. We're down to about 63 overnight. That would be 2 degrees below normal. But that's your valley planner for the next 12 hours to get you out the door, and watch out for some patches of fog. Partly cloudy, fog late as the showers go to bed. Winds will be light and variable, but 0 to 5 miles per hour. If you're in Oneida, look for a low around 60. If you're in Moorestown, 60, about 62 for Tellico Plains, Maryville, Alcoa, and even Townsend should be in the lower 60s overnight tonight. Meanwhile, as we go into Wednesday, into Thursday, that should say Thursday, there it is, hazy sun and clouds, spotty rain and storms, highs around 85 like it was today, winds 3 to 8 plus. There's your Thursday outlook, 83 La Follette, 84 Newport, looking for a high in Oak Ridge, Clinton, and Oliver Springs, also around 85 degrees. Kingston, also around 85. Here's your Captain Accurate Weather Authority forecast for Knoxville, East Tennessee, going up to 88 for Friday, 92. Wow, that's hot like a firecracker. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. In fact, the last time we hit 92 was the 21st of September. That was the last day of summer. See how that works? Last day of summer was 92, and then we got the autumnal equinox on the 22nd, and it got cooler. But at least the last time we hit 92 in Knoxville was the 21st of September. So it's been a while, and we could do it as early as this Saturday. So think about that. That would be, June 3rd. June 3rd. And tomorrow is the official start of the hurricane season. Very apropos. And it's the start of the meteorological summer that we call June, July, and August. So there's all sorts of things that are earmarked on the 1st of June. So just know it'll be still warm Monday and Tuesday in the mid-80s, but overnight lows might get down to the upper 50s as early as Tuesday morning. Keep track of it all, by the way, using the Captain Accurate Weather app with Pete Michaels Traffic. It's free at the App Store, Google Play. Just search the 2 words Captain Accurate and you'll find it. And it also works beautifully on your iPad. Oh, iPad. Yeah, that works great, too. Anyway, my name is David Aldridge. Some people call me Captain Accurate. It's not easy being accurate, so weather doesn't surprise you. We'll see you here next time. Take care.